So wet weather is back in the forecast here locally after what was a record-breaking weekend. We even on Saturday recorded a high of 91. That is going to be a dramatic shift from 91 to about the upper 50s as your forecast highs today. Take a look as a low pressure system starts to migrate into the region. We see cloud cover along the greater coastline extending through your inland valleys, and that is setting the stage for this next round of wet weather that is likely going to bring some spotty showers along the coastline within the next 2 hours or so. Greater picture shows several watches, warnings, and advisories, a high surf advisory, a high wind advisory, winter weather advisory for San Bernardino County mountains. That means area ski resorts are going to pick up on some fresh powder. Even here in San Diego, we could pick up on an inch or two over our mountaintops above about 4,500 feet. Wind advisory is what we have off to the east of us. We here have a wind, it is a high wind warning for us across our San Diego County mountains and deserts, and that is in effect. It will last all the way through 1 a.m. going into early Wednesday morning. So let's talk about that rain. Here's what we have as of about the next couple hours. You see how those showers start to become a little bit more uniform along the coastline. They stretch farther inland. This is going to be a very light event overall. So notice these colors are coming in as a lighter green as opposed to more yellow and orange tones, meaning moderate downpours. All that green shows that this is very light activity. Over the mountaintops, however, this could come in the form of snow. So you start to see a little bit of pink and purple on the screen there. That is where we can expect about an inch to 2 inches total. Areas of moderate activity are possible in the mix here, especially toward the evening hours, but it looks like overall accumulations are going to come in no more than 1/10 of an inch along the coastline, maybe 2/10 of an inch toward areas like Escondido and El Cajon. Alpine could pick up on 3/10 of an inch, 2/10 for Ramona. But again, keep in mind for an average February, just as far into an average February, we would have seen about an inch total. So this barely makes a light dent in it, but we will use any rain that we can get. For the day, though, expect this to come in the form of light, sporadic, intermittent showers. That's what we're expecting. Under cloudy skies with much cooler temperatures. Temperatures are going to rest in the upper 50s and low 60s. This is a dramatic departure from the 80s and 90s that we saw for pretty much the entirety of last week. 57 this afternoon in Carlsbad, 60 for San Diego, 57 in Escondido, and 53 in Ramona. Keep a light jacket on hand because a high of 53 degrees is much different than a high of 91 that we recorded, say, in downtown San Diego over the course of Saturday. So between Saturday and now your Tuesday, we've seen these temperatures tumble by 30 and in some cases near 40 degrees for your afternoon highs. Take a look at what we have for the next 8 days. Today is that notably cool, cloudy, rainy day with wind. And then tomorrow through your weekend, we return to Santa Ana's. We've got dry skies, high pressure building. We're going to expect mainly dry conditions up until late Sunday. Sunday, we've got clouds building once again, and it looks like we could start to see some showers into early Monday morning. This will come in the form of another low pressure system sinking in from the north of us. Same across your mountains and deserts. Dry weather for Wednesday through about Sunday. Looks like another round of wet weather is possible by Monday. Across the mountains, heaviest accumulations are expected, maybe about a 1/2 of an inch of rain, and in terms of snow from late tonight and early tomorrow morning, we could see about 1 inch to 2 inches wind over your desert.